Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing and healthy red, white, and blue smoothie ever. Let me show you what you need for the red step. You need frozen or fresh strawberries. You need carrots. You need ice. You need plain old water. And you need honey to sweeten. Strawberries and carrots together are going to give a super vibrant red hue. The darkness from the honey is going to add to the red hue. And the ice and water are just to help things get frothy and slushy. Let me show you the red step. So I'm going to start by putting a little bit of ice. Then I'm going to follow up with strawberry and a few carrots. Just like that. Now I'm going to add my sweetener. You just want a drizzle of honey to sweeten up the strawberries. This smoothie is loaded with fruits and vegetables. Then you want to add your tap water just to help everything get frothy and slushy. It's also going to help it blend well. So when it looks like that, we're ready for the lid. This is red. Okay. It's on nice and tight. Now we're getting it on the blender. Give it a quick shake. That is a beautiful hue of red. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into the bottom of my serving vessel. That's enough of red. Now I'm going to stick that in my freezer while I'm working on the white component of my. Now for the white part of the smoothie, you're going to use a freshly rinsed container, whole milk, frozen zucchini. I've peeled the skin off and de-seeded it. It's only a few specks of green in, but that's going to disappear. Frozen zucchini. Frozen banana. Coffee creamer. I'm using amaretto because it's amazing. You could also use vanilla. Vanilla and amaretto won't distort the color of the white part. And last but not least, Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt takes it to the next level. And of course, we have ice. Let me show you step by step how we do the white part of the smoothie. No water goes in this. Okay, to do the white smoothie, you start with a little bit of ice. Okay, then you hit with your vegetables. We're going to use our zucchini. A couple of sticks. Then we're going to probably do equal parts banana and zucchini. Oh yeah. Then we're going to hit it with our Greek yogurt. 2 scoops. That's going to really help the color. 2 scoops of Greek yogurt. Banana, zucchini, and ice. Now we're adding our sweetener. Amaretto is amazing in this. You need just a drizzle because the bananas are going to make it really, really sweet. Last but not least, you're going to need a splash of milk. And you want this layer to be kind of thick because you don't want the colors to bleed through. Okay. Now we're going to get our lid on. Turn it upside down. Alright, so we got it on our blender and we go for it. This is so thick. That's exactly the way we want it. So we're going to stick this in the freezer. And then I'm going to show you what's needed for the blue portion of the smoothie. Look how thick this is. That's what you want. That's what you want, especially for the middle section. Look at the color, guys. All the brown ripe bananas and the green specks from the zucchini skin have dispersed. Now we're getting ready for the blue portion of the smoothie. So we have a freshly rinsed blender top. We have zucchini, vegetables and fruit in every layer. Zucchini, frozen blueberry. Honey is our sweetener. We have water to blend, and we have ice. We're not using any dairy in this part of the smoothie because we want to keep the color as blue as possible. So let me show you how we blend that up. Okay, we're going to start with a nice handful of ice. Okay, then we're going to add frozen blueberries. Then we're going to add just a couple of pieces of zucchini to make sure we have veggies in every section. Frozen zucchini. Okay. So it's looking like that. Our last step is a touch, our next step is just a touch of honey for sweetness. You just need a drizzle of honey. And then our next step is adding water just to help it froth and slush. Not too much. Okay, so it's looking like that. Placing the top on. And I'm going to blend it up for you all. Shake it up. Now, if it's not churning, you need a touch more liquid. So I'm going to take this off and get a little more water in here. Give it a shake. It's looking good, but I want the blueberries to be finer, so I'm going to add a touch more water. It is nice and thick. That should do it. This is unbelievably good. Okay. Alright, that's the blue section. Let me get the others out the freezer to show you how we're going to put it together. So the red and the white section have been chilling out in the freezer. Now I'm going to bring them to the countertop and we're going to put it all together and give it a taste. Alright, so I went ahead and placed my straw in the red. Now I'm going to spoon out my white for the middle. Oh, look at how thick that is. Look how thick it is. You want it nice and thick so it doesn't sink. You don't want it to sink into the red. Let me smooth it out. Now we're going to spoon on our blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Nice and thick. You don't want the colors to sink in. And start blending prematurely. That is how you do it. Let's have a taste. Red, white, blue. There is fruits and vegetables in every layer, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And it's just so pretty. Let's have a taste. Just the drizzle of the honey and the drizzle of the creamer makes it not too sweet. Your kids are going to love it, and you're going to love it because it's healthy. I seriously hope you try this recipe. Thank you for watching.